takes you. Osmo Action 3 is ready to go beyond the edge.
And give you guys a couple of reasons why you might want to choose the DJI Osmo Action 3 over the GoPro Hero 11.
Alright, so you guys ready for this big reveal? The camera on the left was the GoPro. It's a good thing that last minute I decided to bring two FPV drones because I knew that I would definitely destroy at least one. Comparing GoPro's Hyper Smooth 5.0 to DJI's Rocksteady, they're both generally really good, but they both also have their moments of weirdness. But the huge advantage GoPro has is when it comes to real steady. So you can actually shoot stabilized, and if you're unhappy with results or you're seeing some robotic movements or whatever, you can add on stabilization on top of it with the gyro data to already stabilize footage, which is something that's very unique. But I swear Real Steady just has the magic sauce where it's just like guaranteed floaty, super smooth, no robotic movements, it's just glide.
So the last reasons that you may want to choose the DJI Osmo Action 3 over the GoPro Hero 11 are
A new quick-release design gives you a rock-solid connection to mounts, along with all of the accessories you use the most. Switch things up in an instant and shoot vertical with that same reliable connection. Stay ready for any moment with a battery that charges fast and delivers stable performance, even when it gets cold, like real cold. It's also smart with AI that makes your selfie stick disappear with a touch. Wet hands? No problem. Hydrophobic screens mean you can still control the camera seamlessly. A smart charging case lets you power up fast and check your levels with just a glance.
So let me know what you think about the DJI Osmo Action 3 versus the GoPro Hero 11. That is it for me. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe.
Is ready to go beyond the edge.